I'll go and sit. I will let them play at home and they'll talk. And let them play. But you go, boy. Coco. Cookie. Cuckoo. You go, boy. Mama love you. They're so lucky. I don't have kids, so I spoil my cats like kids. Look at him. He's wondering everything. Must be cold. I am cold. My hands are freezing. Let's go home. There's so many outdoor cats. I feed them. Feed cats. Okay, let's go home. Let's go home. We will play inside. It's so cold. Come on. Let's go. You go, boy. Look, she is a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Your mama, I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. She's a good boy. You must be cold, boy. Come on. Let's go. Hello, guys. How are you? Hopefully, everybody's doing good. I am doing good. My cats are doing great. I'm gonna let them play inside here. I took them for a walk, but it's very cold. I can't handle that cold. Eh, he's so mean. You don't want me to touch it. You don't want me to touch his stroller. See? What is it? What is this, boy? No, you can't do that. Is he good boy? You good boy? What is it? A kitty kitty, my cutie pie. That's his stroller. If I touch it, he will get me. Ah, what is it? I didn't even harm you. Thank you so much, guys, for liking and watching us. I just love my cats. Doesn't matter they scratch me or not. Day before yesterday, he did this. So I'm used to it. Good boy. Is he good boy? Look at you, good boy. Good boy, good boy. So cold. How are you guys doing? Nobody's talking. That's my baby blue, the meanie one, my meanie. I know he's gonna scratch me. I'm gonna try to save my head. See? He's getting ready to. You don't love mama. I know that. You don't love mama. You don't love mama. Coco, you don't love me. No, don't do that. Don't do that. How's everybody doing? This is my big baby blue. If you never seen my videos, but I like why?